Hi guys, today I will be replacing the air filter of this 2007 Honda CRV. Okay, here's the filter box, and here's the filter that I will be using. Here's the part number 17220ZA and 000. This is a OEM filter. Okay, so to open the box, so there are locks here at the back, then another one here, so two locks here, then another lock here the side, then on this side, then one more here. So this is hard to access. Yeah, okay, just lift this a little bit, then you can access the filter. Here's the old filter. So this is like a aftermarket filter, and make sure that this is the top part and this is the bottom part. The OEM filter looks nicer, you can see, and the bottom is different color for the OEM. So make sure this one is on the top. So slide the filter in. So it's a bit hard. Okay. Oh, wrong direction, that's why. Should be like this. So make sure it is flat. Then put the lock on. First put this one, the hard part. Then the other two. Then one side. And this one on this side. Okay, all done. That's good. Thank you for watching.